Hello again. It is a very special day, a very important day. I'm Professor Wolfizzle. Welcome to day 5 of our 3,000 word challenge. Look at us. Look at you. We have studied together for 5 days now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 full week of English. I'm very proud of you. Your mind is opening like a flower in the sun. Today, I'm sitting in my living room. This is the heart of my home. A home is not just a house. A home is where the family is. It is a place of love. It is a place of peace. Look at the wall behind me. I have many pictures in wooden frames. These are photos of my family. In this photo here, you can see my father. He was a tall man. He was very strong. He had a big hat and a kind face. And here next to him is my mother. She has a very beautiful smile. Her eyes are bright. Father and mother, together, they are my parents. They gave me my life. I also have a brother and a sister. Look at this small photo. My brother is the one with the dirty hands. He's very strong. He likes to work outside in the garden. He likes the earth and the trees. And my sister, she is very smart. She is younger than me, but she knows many things. She loves to read books, just like me. We often sit together and read in silence. Do you have a big family? With many brothers and many sisters? Or a small family? Maybe you are an only child. It does not matter. Every family is a gift. Now, let me show you my home. We are in the living room. Here is my sofa. It is a large brown sofa. It is very soft, very cozy. And there is the television. But I do not watch television often. No, the television is loud. I prefer to look out of the window at the rain or the sun. Come with me. Let's walk. We go through the door. This is a heavy oak door. Now, we are in the kitchen. We know the kitchen, don't we? This is where I make my tea with honey. This is where the big wooden table and the 4 chairs are. I eat my breakfast in the morning. I eat my lunch at noon. And I eat my dinner in the evening when the sky gets dark. Next to the kitchen, behind that small door, is the bathroom. The bathroom is small and white. In the bathroom, I wash my face with cold water to wake up. I brush my teeth. Scrub up and down, left and right. Clean teeth are very important for a healthy smile. Now, follow me. We go up the stairs. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, many stairs. It is a long way up. We are now in the bedroom. This is a very quiet room. There's no noise here. This is where my bed is. Remember the bed from day 1? It has a warm blanket and a soft pillow. I sleep here every night. When the moon is in the sky and the stars are bright, I lie down. I close my eyes and I dream. I dream of adventures. I dream of the forest. I even dream in English now. I also have a small room for my guests. A guest room. It is empty now. It is waiting for a friend. Maybe one day you can visit me and stay in that room. Let's go back down the stairs and out into the garden. I love my garden. The air is fresh here. There are many flowers. Red, yellow, and blue flowers. I see a bee on a flower. There's a big tree in the center of the garden. I sit under the tree in the shade when the sun is too hot. Today, we learned about the people we love, our family, father, mother, brother, sister, parents, and we learned about the places where we live, the living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. You are doing a fantastic job. Truly fantastic. 5 days. And you already know so much. You are no longer a stranger to English. Today, we added 100 new words to your vocabulary. That is a giant success for our first week. A huge milestone. Let us look at our total progress. Are you ready for the number? You have unlocked 470 words. Almost 500 words in only 5 days. I am Professor Wolfizzle. Today, when you are at home, look at your own family. Say the words in your head. Father, mother, brother. Look at your house. Say kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Enjoy your weekend. And I will see you on Monday for day 6. Goodbye.